Welcome to RahulTextureArt. Today we are not just creating a painting, we are beginning a quiet journey. A journey where creativity becomes meditation, where every texture carries a heartbeat, where every color whispers a feeling, and where the restless mind slowly meets its own soul. So take a deep breath, leave the noise of the world behind, and come with me on this beautiful voyage of transformation. Let us gently pick up our tools, not as ordinary tools, but as companions that will help us turn a silent canvas into a living story. Every masterpiece always begins with one small act of courage. So, let us begin. The very first touch of texture meets the empty canvas. Can you feel it? The canvas has been waiting, patiently, silently, almost as if it knew this moment would arrive. Today, its journey changes forever. In just a few moments, it will never be the same again. Just like us, every creative journey leaves us transformed. Now comes one of my favorite moments, cutting the fresh texture. It always reminds me of a pair of scissors patiently shaping something beautiful. Every cut, every gentle curve feels like nature itself, preparing to give birth, not destroying, creating, not removing, revealing. Sometimes beauty is not added, it is uncovered. Now, the texture grows stronger, thicker, bolder, more fearless, layer upon layer, building its own identity. Heavy textured abstract art is never afraid to stand tall. It celebrates every elevation, every shadow, every imperfection, because real beauty lives in depth, not on the surface. Watch closely. The palette knife begins its dance. It glides, it pauses, it changes direction. Every movement leaves behind a memory, a footprint, a silent signature. The palette knife never speaks, yet it tells an unforgettable story. Its dance becomes the language of texture itself. And then, a little magic returns. Without warning, without announcement. Just one small movement, one unexpected mark, and suddenly the artwork smiles. Those tiny surprises are the moments artists secretly wait for, because creativity always rewards patience. Now, we wait. The artwork rests. The texture slowly dries. Transformation can never be rushed. Nature understands this. Trees understand this. Mountains understand this. Perhaps we should understand it too. Some of life's greatest changes happen quietly, while nobody's watching. And now, the colors arrive like musicians walking onto a peaceful stage. Today's palette feels deeply connected to the earth. Pure white, powerful black, rich dark brown, and finally, beautiful burnt umber. Each color brings its own emotion, its own personality, its own purpose. Together, they are ready to compose a beautiful symphony. Black arrives first, not to create darkness, but to create depth. Without shadows, light loses its meaning. Without contrast, beauty remains hidden. Depth creates mystery. Dimensions invite curiosity. Sometimes, the darkest color allows every other color to shine brighter. Now, the remaining colors begin finding each other, slowly, gracefully, like old friends meeting again. There is no competition, only harmony. Every color knows exactly where it belongs, and together they create balance, just like life itself. Now look carefully. The canvas feels alive. The colors are no longer sitting still. They are dancing, flowing, moving, celebrating, and this canvas has become their stage. Every stroke is another graceful step. Every texture is another rhythm. Every moment becomes another heartbeat. And then, a beautiful surprise, turquoise blue, a gentle contrast, like the open sky touching the earth, like calm water meeting ancient rocks. It instantly awakens the composition. Sometimes, one unexpected touch changes everything. Now, the first white coat arrives. Soft, gentle, peaceful. It doesn't hide the texture, it embraces it, allowing every elevation to quietly breathe. Then comes the second white coat, another layer, another whisper, another step towards perfection. Every layer adds wisdom, adds character, adds life. Now, a delicate touch of metallic bronze. Suddenly, light begins to dance. Every angle reflects differently. The artwork seems alive, as if sunlight itself has decided to become part of the painting. The third white coat brings calm once again, like fresh morning mist covering the landscape. Everything feels peaceful, balanced, complete. Now, a gentle touch of burnt umber, warm, earthy, comforting, the color of soil, the color of roots, the color that reminds us where we all belong. A careful touch of black returns once more, adding strength, confidence, character. Not too much, just enough to remind every texture of its purpose. And finally, turquoise blue returns for one last dance, a final spark, a final breath, a final celebration. The painting has found its voice. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. The final reveal. Take a slow look. Every cut, every texture, every layer, every pause, every color, every patient moment has become one beautiful story. This is not only a textured abstract painting, it is a journey, a meditation, a reminder that transformation always begins with a single touch. Thank you for being part of this beautiful creative journey. If this artwork brought even a moment of peace or inspired your own creativity, please subscribe to Rahul Texture Art.